In this video, I will help you learn the steps to package a Spring Boot project, a Spring Boot application to a Java web archive file or a Word file. A Word file is a archive file in zip format that can be deployed on Java server service container like Apache Tomcat. I am Nam from codejava.net. Here are the steps you need to follow to package the Spring Boot application to a Word file. First, we need to have our Spring Boot main class extends the Spring Boot ServletInitializer class, and then we need to specify the packaging type in the pom.xml file is Word, and then we run a Maven Go package to compile and package the Spring Boot application to a Word file, and then we deploy the Word file on Apache Tomcat server. Now let's see how to do these steps in action. This is a Spring Boot project in Spring Tool Suite IDE. As you can see, product manager, and we need to modify our Spring Boot main class to extend the Spring Boot ServletInitializer class. So in this project, the main class is product manager application here. You see, this is a Spring Boot application main class, and to be able to deploy this Spring Boot project to a Word file, we need to have the main class extend the Spring Boot Web Initializer class, so it will be able to run on a server environment and service container like Apache Tomcat. So we extend Spring Boot Spring Boot ServletInitializer here. You see, that's extend this class. You see, so the first step is to extend the Spring Boot ServletInitializer class in the Spring Boot main class, and next open the Maven's project file, pom.xml file here, and by default, by default the packaging type for a Spring Boot project is jar file. So if we need to make a Word file, we need to explicitly specify the packaging type for this project. So we specify the packaging type here after the description of the project. Packaging is Word. Okay, you see. So the second step is to specify the packaging type Word, the pom.xml file. And then we can build this project using Maven Go package. Right click on the project, run as. You can see the menu run as here, and choose option number 3, Maven build here. And in this dialog, specify the Go package and click run. And you can see Maven is compiling and packaging our Spring Boot project, and you can see build success. and you can see building war file here, and this is a path to the generated war file product manager hyphen 1.0 dot war here, you see, and in the target directory of the project, and that opens the project directory product manager here, and you can see under the target directory here we have the war file not generated here. You can see product manager 1.0, and with this war file we can deploy onto Apache Tomcat server. So to deploy on Apache Tomcat server, copy this war file and browse through the installation directory of Apache Tomcat on my computer. Here, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0. Here, in the web apps directory, so we copy and paste the Word file here. We need to have administrator permission. Okay, and then we start Tomcat server. We use Windows command line prompt to start Tomcat server. So copy it path and open command line prompt with administrator privilege. Okay, here we go. The command prompt on Windows, and I change the current directory to the Tomcat installation directory here, and then I use this command to change the command prompt so I can see the text better. This is the content of the Tomcat's home directory, and go to the bin directory, and in the bin directory we have the startup.bat script here to start Tomcat. Now type the command startup to start Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat is starting, and you can see the Spring Boot logo appears in the Tomcat console here, which means our Spring Boot project is deploying. And finally, you can see the server is up and running and listening on the HTTP port 80 here, you see. And now we can test our Spring Boot application using a Chrome browser here. For Spring Boot application deploy on Tomcat, type the URL localhost. Since the server listening on port 80, so I can omit the port number, and then the name of the application deploy on Tomcat in the web apps directory here. You can see product manager 1.0 here. So we need to type product manager hyphen 1.0 here slash, and you can see our Spring Boot application is up and running. Product manager. You can test by create a new product. For example, Xbox 360 brand Microsoft made in US, price 300, 400. Click save, and you see the newly created product here. So far so good, right? So that's basically how to package a Spring Boot application to a Word file, which can be deployed to a solid container like Apache Tomcat, extending the Spring Boot initializer class, specify the packaging type or run Maven Go package and deploy on Tomcat. Now I'm going to show you how to package Spring Boot project to a Word file using command line in Windows. We need to stop running Tomcat in the Tomcat console view here. Press the Ctrl C key to stop. You see, and refresh the application, and you will see the server stopped. Okay, and delete the application on Tomcat, delete the Word file, and delete the directory. Yes. Okay. And to use command line to package the Spring Boot application, you need to have Maven installed on the computer. So I open another command prompt window here, and I change the current directory to the project directory, which is in the driver Spring Boot product manager. And you see, this is the content of the project directory. And first, we run the Maven command mvn clean to clean all the files in the target directory here. After you install Maven, you need to configure the path environment enable to include the path to the Maven bin directory. Here I run this command to show the content of the path environment enable. So you can see here I set the path to my Maven here. You see. Okay, and run the command mvn clean to clean the target directory of the project. And you can see view success, deleting all files in the target directory of the project. And then you can run the mvn package command to package Spring Boot application. But this time I want to change the Word file name, so I open the pom.xml file here, and I change the Word file name by changing the artifact ID and version number here. You see. For example, version 2.0. Okay, and now in the command line, let's type this command mvn package, and you see Maven is compiling source files and packaging a Word file. You can see the status build success here, and you can see the generated Word file in this part, which is a target directory, and the Word file name is product manager 2.0 .word here. Very good, right? And go to the project directory. Project directory here. Spring Boot product manager target directory, and you can see the Word file here, and copy and paste into Tomcat the web apps directory here to deploy. Paste, and let's start Tomcat server here. Start up. You can see Tomcat is starting, and you can see the Spring Boot logo appears. Okay, the server is up and running. Now let's test in Chrome browser. This time we need to enter the context path is product manager -2.0. You see. Now let's try to edit product Xbox 360 here. Change the price to $399 and made in China. Save, and you see it is updated to China, and the price is $399. So that's how to package a Spring Boot application to the Java Web Archive file, a Word file, to deploy on a service container like Apache Tomcat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.